party.
Auntie and Carla here again.
Auntie, big question here. Good question.
Yeah.
We see a lot of negative stories on the news. How has colonisation affected Aboriginal communities?
Oh my goodness, that is a really big one, Carla, because it covers history and all of those historical events that impacted on our people. It's something we talk about at Evolve in our webinars and that. But ultimately, there's the bigger picture, isn't there?
Yeah, I think of allyship. Allyship's all about self-education. So wonderful you asked this question. We have loads of free resources on our website. In our book, we talk about all about the impact of colonisation. We talk about the gap, the stolen generations. So find out more about that. Healing Foundation is a wonderful website as well to go firsthand and listen deeply to people's stories and honour people's stories about that impact. Go
Go well.